Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. In each episode, we explore a new English word, helping you expand your vocabulary and improve your understanding of the language. Today's word is drink. So, what does drink mean? Well, drink as a verb means to take liquid into the body. It's a very common and essential word that we use every day. We drink water, we drink juice, we drink coffee. It's how we stay hydrated and enjoy different flavors. The act of drinking is fundamental to our survival. Now, let's look at some synonyms for drink. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. A good synonym for drink is sip. Sip means to drink something slowly, taking small amounts at a time. For example, you might say, I like to sip my tea in the morning. Another synonym is guzzle. Guzzle means to drink something quickly and in large gulps, often because you are very thirsty. For instance, after the long race, he guzzled down a bottle of water. Then we have imbibe. Imbibe is a more formal synonym for drink, and it means to drink something, especially alcohol. You might hear someone say, they imbibed fine wine at the dinner party. Finally, let's consider quaff. Quaff is another synonym for drink that suggests drinking deeply and heartily. For example, he quaffed the refreshing lemonade on the hot afternoon. These synonyms add variety to your vocabulary and allow you to express yourself more precisely. Now, let's explore the antonyms of drink. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. An antonym of drink, in the sense of taking liquid into your body, is dehydrate. Dehydrate means to lose too much water from your body. For example, if you don't drink enough water, you will dehydrate. Another antonym could be abstain. While not a direct opposite, abstain suggests a conscious decision not to drink, especially alcohol. For example, he decided to abstain from alcohol for the month. Now, let's think about how we use the word drink in everyday life. It's a very versatile word that appears in countless situations. You might say, I'm thirsty. I need to drink some water. Or, would you like something to drink? You could also say, let's go out for a drink after work. This usually means going out for a beverage, often an alcoholic one, but not always. Think about common expressions such as, he's a heavy drinker. This means that someone drinks alcohol frequently and in large amounts. Or, she's drinking a lot of coffee lately. This could mean that she's feeling tired or stressed. Here are some more examples of drink in sentences and phrases. I drink coffee every morning at 7 a.m. She drinks orange juice with her breakfast. They drink sparkling water with lemon. He is drinking from a bottle. We should drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. The cat is drinking milk. The plant needs a drink of water. I'll drink to that, meaning I agree or support that idea. What would you like to drink with your meal? The baby is drinking formula. She drinks herbal tea before bed. He drank all the juice in one go. They drink a toast to the happy couple. So, to summarize, drink means to take liquid into the body. We explored synonyms like sip, guzzle, imbibe, and quaff, and antonyms like dehydrate and abstain. We also looked at how drink is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Remember, drinking enough water is crucial for your health. I hope you found this episode helpful. Thank you for listening to Hello Word. I really appreciate you tuning in. Now, for a little favor, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show so they can also improve their English. And I have a challenge for you. Can you create your own sentence using the word drink? Share your sentence as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep learning and keep drinking plenty of water.